Namaste and welcome.
What's happening?
Namaste and welcome to another session at Dan's Yoga Salon. This sweeper has been resting for many months and we're here to reinvigorate her. Unfortunately, she's been kicking her butt. So we're gonna try to clean off these connections and put these batteries back in and hopefully she can fire up.
Yeah, 2 batteries in here. We had battery chargers on them 24 hours. And when we turned the disconnect on, we had no power inside the cab. And so we took them back, tested them out, 15.8 volts in each one. We're gonna see if we can bypass this shut-off switch.
Oh, wait. I had power there. Yeah. Yep. What was it? Kill switch. What? One job diagnosed properly by Dan's Yoga Salon. Oh, just nut them together?
Yeah, bypass the whole thing.
Well, let me pull the rear battery at least
Okay.
So that it's a little bit easier. That's probably a better idea.
Then we can at least see if we can get the thing out of here.
Yeah, I guess that would be nice. Yep, try it, Nate. Where's your voltage?
Give us a shot.
Let her rip.
Nope.
Try again. That was exciting.
Try again.
Did you just try it again? Yeah. Nothing. Let's try, let's see what that multimeter says. 15. Let me hop in the new guy started it wrong. Yeah, let's tap the starter. We had to tap the starter the last time.
Yep.
Let's pop the hood. Weird, man. I'm seeing sparks, man.
No clicks, no nothing.
Nothing. So what's the next step?
We'll take it back and bench test it, but
Well, I gotta yank the starter anyway. Not looking forward to getting into that, but I guess that's the next step. So let's get to it.
ballistic juice.
Should I be silent, or should I narrate?
It's better if you narrate. It's kind of better to put your face in it,
Oh, okay.
so we can all see your.
This. Here we are working on this.
That's really close. Reach under there still? Yeah.
All right, we're going in.
Going in deep.
We have a faulty starter. Sorry, Tim. We're gonna try to remove it from its icy home.
Oh man! I thought this is why we brought Nate.
This is what.
Thanks, guys. You forget I'm a little package, man. Little package, little.
Hey, what's the starter look like?
Like, oh.
It looks just like a hydraulic line, Tim.
Where's the starter?
Oh my.
Want a hammer?
I got it.
Want someone to swing it for you?
They don't give you a whole lot of room, yeah?
Let me know what you
I
need.
hear ratcheting.
I hear ratcheting too. That looks good. One bolt?
One bolt. One bolt. Ratcheting. We're ratcheting.
Woo!
It's a long bolt.
Really?
I handed you one, right?
Yes, it's right here on the leaf.
All right, here's your long one.
2! Factory fresh, man.
Factory fresh.
We're going to RWC. They gave me a smoking deal, only $3,000 for a new starter. Sorry, I'm just kidding. Tim, let me get this out of here.
All right, I got the 2 hard ones.
Did you leave me the top?
Yeah.
Where is the top bolt?
It's got to be on this
Right
side over here.
Yeah.
Oh! Hi. Sorry about that.
Well, hello.
Hello.
Oh man, I'm pretty sure they just saw all my molars. Oh, I can't get my head up in there. This is gonna be interesting indeed. All right. Oh.
Let me get my light on it here, Dan.
Well, there's nowhere with that manifold there. I just can't get my fat head up in there. Maybe I could if I really. No, it's too tight. So.
You want to try a socket in there? Or?
Yeah. I have Arctic grade bibs at the shop. I just didn't think we were going to be pulling a starter today, so.
Man.
I was thinking running back and getting lunch for a little morale support, you know what I'm saying?
All right, we're back here for one final time tonight. Try to see if we can get this starter out. A couple new tricks. See what we can do. All right, so he's got it. Finally, the big
The much
beast
starter.
The beast of a starter.
Oh.
Look at the size of that thing.
She's sleeping.
Look at the size of that starter.
For reference, I'm 5'9" and a half.
So it is now 4:52, and I believe we came down here
Don't tell him that.
early. So early. So
9:30. We left the shop.
that thing was kicking our butt today. So we're
Yeah,
gonna
it
take it
was.
back, bench test it. Hopefully she'll fire up, and get her back. Thanks guys for sticking with us. We'll let's see what happens here.
Baby's sleeping.
Baby's sleeping.
Yeah.
All bench tested, cleaned up.
Yep. She spins. Hopefully it starts today. All right. Fortunately, I just ate a huge bag of chips, so
Yum.
the starter has cushion to ride on. Oh, they painted the block blue. That's kind of. Shh. Shh. It's okay. Daddy has some milk for you, little starter. They really were not thinking about the size of my hand when they built this.
Got room to squeeze a camera in there next to you?
Damn!
It's all about the shot.
I don't want to strip it, but I feel like I have it in there. So, let's go with the Wonder Tool.
Going with the Wonder Tool.
It's days like these I can just envision myself on the changing a starter on the beach of the Bahamas. Come on, honey. Don't feel cross-threaded to me.
Such a positive impact.
Okay, back here at Dan's Sweeper Salon and Boutique, we've reinstalled the same starter we took out. We've been making a lot of things happen over here, guys, so please don't second guess it.
All right, let's get those batteries hooked up, see if we can get this thing rolling. Finally got that thing running, got it pulled out, got it over into the shop. I'm headed home. It's been a chore getting that thing going, but thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking with us through the end. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. If there's something else you want to see, let us know. But yeah, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share it, all that good stuff. And let us know what you want to see. We'll get some more good videos coming out.